Meet Mrs. Patel, a practical homemaker. She knows that even when milk goes sour, there's always a way to make buttermilk. Like her, a smart trader purchases shares in lots at regular price or time intervals. Just like she doesn't mix fresh and spoiled milk, we avoid mixing lots of shares purchased separately. Like Mrs. Patel, retail investors face stress when their investments turn lossy. But with other brokers, stress is multiplied when investors cannot measure the impact of these lossy trades by purchase lot on their portfolio. The result of mixing lots of a single stock purchased separately? A recipe for disaster. At Dozen Diamonds, we believe in avoiding such disasters by following simple and intuitive principles, such as tracking the performance of individual lots more precisely, mapping sales of shares to lots in which they were purchased, enabling the avoidance of selling a lot at a loss, thereby reducing the overall risk of losing money, enabling investors to automatically sell lots at specific price intervals to maximize profits. Are you a stock trader who wants to stay on top of his trades by following these principles? Please download the Dozen Diamonds app from your app store and visit the Dozen Diamonds website for further details. Dozen Diamonds is your key to happy and stressless stock trading.